Every time you open Photoshop just to tweak an image, you lose time. And you lose flow. You know the moment. Layout almost finished. One image doesn't fit. Export. Photoshop. Crop. Back to Figma. And that's exactly where the decision gets lost. Figma has changed this with 3 new image features directly in the workflow. First, remove object. Select the distracting element, remove it. Figma automatically fills the background. No tool switch, the decision stays in the layout. Second, background cutout. Isolate an object and reposition it in the layout. Images become flexible, not decoration, design. Third, expand. Resize the image and Figma fills in the missing areas naturally. No new assets, no searching. I've used this in real layouts. Fewer tool switches, faster iteration, more focus in the design process. Photoshop is still for perfect images. Figma is for product design decisions. If you work in Figma a lot, these features will noticeably speed up your workflow. How do you currently handle images in product design? Still outside of Figma or already directly in the tool? Let me know in the comments.